Welcome to the ultimate guide to mixing and producing kick and bass. In this course, we're going deep into the most important part of any club track, the low end. We're not just talking about EQ and sidechain. We're starting from the foundations, sound selection, tuning, layering, and understanding the roles of kick and bass in your genre. Then we'll get into stereo versus mono, phase alignment, transients, and how to create that clean pocket where the bass can breathe without clashing with your kick. You'll also learn sidechaining techniques that will completely change the way you approach kick and bass separation, moving beyond basic compression to methods that give you more control, punch, and groove. The goal here isn't to make you copy settings or follow rules. It's to give you a repeatable system for getting consistent, powerful results even if you're working in an untreated room. Every technique you'll learn is practical, proven, and focused on getting tracks finished and, more importantly, release ready.